Whoa, wait a minute. Did you know that the CookiesYes plugin has had a recent update where you can no longer customize the colors unless you get the paid version? You might say, what's the big deal? Because if you were branding your CookiesYes, you know, your cookie pop-up when you land on a page, having that customization option, even if you were only setting it to be black and white in terms of the colors, that was massively important. Well, now we no longer have it. So what are you going to do in this situation? Don't worry. Hannah Jones, big thank you to her, has developed a bit of CSS code which will allow you to still customize the colors. So here's what you got to do. Now there's many places where you could stick the code, but my recommendation is just go to Appearance, go to Customize, go down to Additional CSS, drop this code in, and a copy of this will be in the video description. Again, big thanks to Hannah Jones, and there is a mention of her website, so go and give her loads of love. Now the CSS code here is pulling back from the global colors, but if you're not using Elementor or any other page builder, if you want to substitute this with your actual hex code, hashtag FF0050 or whatever you want to pop in, go and do that. Because when I land on this website now, it's pulled over the particular color that I had gone and set. And after you've done that, if I click over here, I still have the colors. Big thank you to Hannah Jones for providing that code. So if you're using the CookiesYes plugin, and I know so many people are, and you've now lost the ability to go and set your colors on a brand new website, go and use that CSS to customize it. I'm still Imran from Web Squadron. Make sure you sign up to our YouTube channel for exclusive videos. Take care. I'll see you soon. Bye.